is it important that we're doing this on our podcast? And if so, why?
So, two-part answer. I would tell those who are interested in getting into podcasts, who is your avatar? Who are you trying to cater your podcast to? What does your audience look like? How are you being the solution to their problem? Then you could reverse engineer it to see how you need to factor in diversity, equity, and inclusion, but also equality into the scenario. But if you are just setting up your podcast to factor in diversity, equity, inclusion, and equality, and that's all you see, then you may be narrowing yourself because you want to meet certain metrics, when in actuality, meeting certain metrics can also cause you to pigeonhole yourself as well. And the reason why I say that is, coming from a corporate space, I've worked in oil and gas where they wanted to meet certain metrics. So diversity, equity, and inclusion, DE&I, became a check the box. So some people felt like they were only getting slotted for certain positions because they looked a certain way or they came from a certain area, when in actuality, they may not have been the best candidate for the job, but because they needed to meet those status quos, then they were the ones who were getting tapped on their shoulder. So that's why I answered the question the way I did. And then in my stance of my podcast, GEMS with Genesis Kemp, diversity, equity, and inclusion is important to me. That's part of my morals and my values, with me being an Afro-Latina and also Caribbean, because I am first generation American. My dad was from Curacao, which is off the tip of Venezuela, and my mom is West Indian. So she's from St. Vincent and the Grenadines in the West Indies. So me looking the way that I look, and also having the background that I have, people see me as a Black and brown woman, but they don't really know the layers behind me because they just see me in one way.